am here in a fresh bazaar. I will show you what's inside. It's open until 8 until 10 this time. 8 in the morning and 10 p.m. at night. Okay, let's get inside. Come here, Justin. My friend is here. Say hi to them. Hello.
I'm ashamed.
Deja vu. It's okay. See, it's beautiful in here. Man, it's a beautiful. Wow, my eyes is big this here. My eye is so big. There's a flower shop. Huh? Yes, sir, yes, sir. There's the flowers. Flowers. And the fruits. Here's the fruit stand. Strawberry. You wanna check strawberry? Oh, somebody's here. Wait. Wow, ang laki ng strawberry. Oh, so beautiful. It's a little, I never taste that, but it's kind of orange. Okay, this side is orange. A lot of orange here. And this one, lots of bananas. And I will show you, it's really big bananas here. I will show you. It's really big banana. Look at that banana. It's really, really big. Panahalo to, guys. Ang laki. Ang laki, guys. That's super laki ng banana nila, no? And it's only 178. And here, this area is apple. Apple. The red apple and the green apple. So yummy. So yummy here. And this one is a vegetable, mixed vegetable. You don't need to cut. It's already cut in here. Mostly Japanese here are too busy. See? That's of vegetable here. And I will show you the radish. The radish here are so damn big. I will show, oh, this is not really big, but some radish is really big, but this time it's not too big. Ganyan paghawak. Yan. Ganyan paghawak. Nalaki, diba? Okay. The mushroom. Sarap to, guys. Ito, oh. My favorite mushroom. Ang dami ko ipakita nyo, guys. Ang ganda dito, di ba? It's very, very fresh. It's very, very fresh. Oh, talong nila, oh. Pakita ko talong nila. Ang talong. Yan. Yan ang talong nila dito. Ang laki, di ba? This side is the cabbage. Look at the cabbage. It's so beautiful. So beautiful cabbage. And look at that. Look at the tomato. Justin, no. Justin. Don't touch. Oh, tomato. Don't touch. So colorful. It's very organized in here, guys. See? There's three kinds of onions. The yellow onion. There's two kinds of onions in here. The yellow onion and the violet onion. See? And the carrots. Look at the carrots, guys. I will show you. It's really big. See? It's so damn big. It's so nice. So nice. Oh, look at this. Diba? Kamote. Kimchi. The kimchi. Justin, be careful. The kimchi. Come here, Justin. Come here, Justin. Tokwa. Tofu. See? Udon and for yakisoba. Yeah. And this one is the sushi. Different kinds of sushi. Wow, makes me hungry, guys. Makes me hungry. Makes me hungry. Oh. Fish is already cooked. It's so mga isda, guys. Isda. Yan. Ang sarap nito, guys. Ito. Sobrang sarap nito. Yan. Ano, Justin? Diba? Sarap. Justin here. Okay, this area is for fabric. Ang labakad, derira. Naka-organize na tanan. Oh. Yan po. Yan. Gusto ka manglaba, dito po. Gusto ka manghugas plato, dito rin po. Meron dito. Panghugas plato. Magluluto ka dito. Sobrang organized, guys. Organized na organized. Come here, Justin. Ito po yung gamit ko na shampoo dito. Chubaki. Ang ganda. Kaya maganda buhok ko eh. Yun, mga sauce. Diyan naman mga sauce. Diba nakita nyo? Yan, mga sauce. Ano ko naman kayo dito? Oh, lahat ng sauce yun, guys. Different kinds of sauce. Layo na kasi. Hindi ko na kayo maano doon. Yan, daming meat, diba? Naka-organize yung lahat. Ganyan na dito, hindi tulad sa atin ba na marami-rami ang ano. Yung nasa gitna, guys, yan ang mga for sale. Yan, sale yan. Ang bilis. Coffee. Yun, mga okay, let's come over here. Seafoods, one of my favorite here. Seafoods ramen. Diba? Lots of ramen in here. Ramen. Ito po yung paborito ng mga bata. Masarap kasi siya eh. Yan, paborito ng anak ko. Ramen. Are you done? Justin? Busy ah. Oh, mga wine. Different kinds of wine. See? Wow, that's a really nice story. And different kind of beer. Come here, Justin. Too high. They call it too high in here. And I will show you one of my favorite in here. It's a lot of... Ang dami ko palang nagustuhan dito. Ito masarap kasi ito eh. Masarap yan. Yan, masarap din yan. Mga sausage. There are different kinds of milk, guys. Diba? Ang daming milk. Panalo sa milk sila dito, guys. Ang sarap ng milk. Lalo na Meiji. Sobrang sarap. Okay, there is a different kinds of eggs. This egg, this is the one we use. Where are you? Where are you, Justin? Where are you, Justin? Wow, there's a Yakult in here. Yakult! Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. Nakakagutom naman ito. Gutom na po ako. Yung luto nila. See? One of my favorite here. The yakisoba. Yakisoba. Yan lang na naman. It's ready to eat, guys. Just pick up and eat. You're good to go. Wow, it looks good. Makes me hungry. My favorite. Wow, makes me hungry. What do you think of the food in here, guys? Huh? Okay, this is my favorite part. Yeah, obento. It's very, very fresh and healthy. Healthy food. Justin. Okay, here, my favorite sushi. And here we go, the donuts and different kinds of bread. See? A lot of bread in here. It's all bread. It's all bread. Pang diet dito naman diet area. Yan. Ito, parang masarap to, no? Ito yung nahanap ng kaibigan ko. Malaking bread. Yan, daming bread, diba? Panalo sila sa bread dito, guys. Masarap pa naman ng bread dito. And different kinds of butter here. So this is the stuff. They're so busy here today. And different kinds of ice cream. Ice cream. Tag 5 ice cream. Okay, and here's the juices. All the juice. My favorite, Coca-Cola favorite, and my kids' favorite, coffees. Justin, let's go. Say bye. Good kiss to everybody. Good. 3. I need that. Okay. Arigato. Huh? What's that? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye. Yeah. Fresh Bazaar. Ito na po yung nabili ko. Ang dami, diba? Almost 4,000 na yan, guys. Yan lang. Ang mahal, diba? Ganyan kamahal dito.
Go and do it for me. Now watch me whip. Kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay.